There are a large number of different online methods for making money, but publishing books to Kindle is one of the most underutilized and potentially profitable. In fact, making money from Kindle is probably one of the best ways to live the passive income dream shared by so many marketers. This is an opportunity to make money while you're sleeping, while you're on holiday, or while you're busy with other tasks. And it's a chance to sell to a huge audience that includes everyone from the tech-savvy marketers you're used to selling to silver surfers, stay-at-home mums, students, and everyone in between. In 2010, Amazon announced that ebook sales had surpassed paperback sales on Amazon, which should tell you just what a gigantic market you have to tap into here. This is a far cry from selling a make money ebook via a sales page on your website, which will only appeal to a relatively small audience. How much profit can you make? It's massive. Some people are making several $100,000 a year from Kindle, and once they've set that business up, they don't have to do anything much to maintain it. Selling books on Kindle is also a fantastic side business. It's a brilliant way to diversify and to give yourself an additional income stream, and it's also a great way to make your business more resilient in the face of market changes. You can reuse old materials this way and even use it to promote your other websites, products, and other businesses. Oh, and guess what else? It's actually really easy and incredibly scalable. Unlike creating mobile apps or websites, you don't need any particular skills, other than the basic ability to write, though that's negotiable too, and you can have an ebook up and running and for sale on the marketplace in a matter of hours. But there are, of course, caveats. Making money on Kindle isn't easy if you don't know what you're doing. It's a very saturated market, with 4.3 million ebooks available in the US right now, and there are several irritating catches, like the high commission that Amazon charges, that you need to be aware of. What you really need is some kind of map, almost like a guidebook that can help you to find your way through the world of Kindle publishing, to avoid the pitfalls and problems along the way, and to give yourself the highest chance of success. And guess what? You've got one. In this video series, you will learn how the Kindle ecosystem works and how to thrive in it, how to create and publish your own books, how to navigate the sometimes confusing taxes, commissions, and legal aspects, how to promote your ebooks, how to handle reviews, how to use basic SEO to make your books easily discoverable, how to price and package your books for optimum sales, how to create ebooks quickly even if you don't know how to write, how to future-proof your business against future changes, and how to diversify and appear on other e-readers. Even if you don't have any prior experience in making money online, running a blog, or creating content, you'll be able to create something quickly and easily and have your own book getting downloads and making money on Kindle within days. To begin with, you might make a few dollars a week, but if you follow the advice in the rest of this series, you could potentially be earning thousands in next to no time. And the really exciting thing? That will make you a professional author and publisher. Are you ready to dive into the world of Kindle publishing? Then let's get started, and we'll do that in the next video.